Mwaiseni, lelo nalami sambilisha ukupenda ciBemba. Ukupenda means count. Numbers in Bemba. So I'll first mention the number in English by giving the numerical form first. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 1 is imo or kamo. 2 is tubili. 3 is tutatu or tatu. 4 is tune when you're talking about something small or fine. 5 is shisano or tusano. 2 can also be vibili. So the ones that start with F, in this case, refer to the plural form, or if you're talking about something that is big in size. And the ones that have tubidi, tutatu, tune, tusano refers to small things or things that have got a smaller quantity. The word for add in Bemba is ukulonda or ukubikapo, depending on the context. So I'll be teaching how to add the first 5 numbers in Bemba. And then I'll be the examples that I'll be giving will be involving stones. So the name for stone in Bemba is iliwe. And the plural form, which is referring to a lot of stones, is... And the plural form, which refers to a lot of stones, is iliwe imo. Elo tualonda ko amawe yabili, which is just 2. Dwala kwata amawe yatatu. So again, if we have 1 stone and we add 2 stones to it, we're going to have 3. The other example that I'll give is if I have 1 stone and I add 3 stones, which is going to give me 4. So I'm gonna kwata iliwe imo. Elo tuavika po amawe yatatu. Dola kwata amawe fine. That means we'll have 4 stones. And lastly, if we have 1 stone and we add 4, we'll have 5. So iliwe imo, ilo tuavika po amawe fine, nishtwala kwata amawe sano, which is shisano. Another combination that we can do is 2 plus 2 to give 4. So ngana tukwata amawe yabili, ela tuwabika po nayambi amawe yabili, twala kwata amawe fine, which is 2. Sorry, in Bemba that would be iliwe ibili yabili to give 4 fine. And then 2 plus 3 gives us 5. So yabili yatatu to give us 5, which is sano. So amawe yabili la tualonda po amawe yatatu twala kwata amawe sano. Thank you for watching.